So you want to know how to add character voice sound effects or weapon sound effects or any kind of special sound effects to your character or your game? Well, I'm going to show you that right now. First, you just got to go to my awesome website, CasLace.com. Then click on Stores and Assets. Then just scroll around until you find Cute Fantasy Girl Character Voice Pack Volume 1 Game Ready. Woo! And just go ahead and click on it. And here you go. I have a free sound pack just for you. Well, just go ahead and click this play button here to listen to sound effects.
What a beautiful day to play! I count to 3 and you better start running. Yeah! Ha! Ha! Heh! Ha!
Alright, you get the picture. Alright, then just scroll down and click Add to Cart here. Then follow the steps and enter your email and information, and then go ahead and just download for free. That's right, it's for free. The best word in the dictionary. Also, I forgot to mention, if you like the Cute Fantasy Girl Character Voice Pack Volume 1, you're probably gonna like the Female Fantasy Character Voice Pack Volume 2. Go ahead, listen to the character voice and see if you like it.
What a beautiful day to play. What a beautiful day to play. What a beautiful day to play. I counted 3, and you better start running. I counted 3, and you better start running. I counted 3.
Alright, so if you like this voice pack volume 2 better, go ahead and purchase it for $7.99. Now you may be wondering, what can you do on this website? Well, I'm so glad you asked. You can download free assets. You can watch YouTube videos. You can download free assets. You can scroll around. You can download free assets. You can play games. Did I already mention you can download free assets already? Because you can on this website. Okay, alright, let's get back to it. So once you download the file, it's gonna be a zip file. Go ahead and right click it and click extract here. Well, would you look at that? All the files are already separated for you. I went ahead and sliced up each of these sound effects for you so that you could just easy drag and drop ready to use. That's right, you're welcome. Okay, let's go ahead and click on these and listen to some of the sound effects.
Ha! I count to 3 and you better start running. Ah! La da da da! Ha!
Alright, sounds good to me. Alright, after that, go ahead and drag and drop all your files into Unity. Okay, so here I have my cute green wizard sorcery witch character. If you want to download the assets to this character, go ahead and go to my website, CasLace.com. That's right, you can download there for free. Alright, go ahead and open whatever player script or audio script that you have attached to your character. Okay, so here are my player script that I already created ahead of time. It's just a script to control my character and control the animations. So what you want to do is, you want to type the code public audio clip and you put the brackets here. And you can call it whatever you want. You can call it sound effects, character sound effects, voice sound effects, whatever you want. And this bracket basically makes it into an array. So it's an array of audio clips, which is what's going to hold the audio files that you just downloaded from my website. You also create just single audio clip, but I find that creating an array to hold all the audio clips makes it much easier for me. And we'll create functions later to call certain sound effects from this array. Alright, so let's head back to our Unity and start drag and dropping the audio clips into this array. Okay, so here I found my green wizard audio array that I created inside the script. Go ahead and click on this and add 18, because I know there's 18 audio clips, and just drag and drop each of these audio clips into the array. After you're done, you should have all these audio clips inside this array, and we're going to create functions to call each of these. So as you can see here, there's 5 different attack runs. So what I usually like to do is every time she attacks, I like to call randomly one of these attack runs to try to make it more, I don't know, special, sounds better, instead of just using the same attack run every single attack. Or maybe it's up to you. If you want the same attack run, then go ahead, but I like to randomize it. So let's go ahead and go back to our script and create some of these functions. Okay, so down in the script, we already create the variables for it. So I'll wait to just create any kind of function you want. I just call it public void green wizard grunt attack, or whatever green wizard attack function sound effect, whatever you want. So first you want to create an int, call it attack run, make it equal to unity engine.random.range, and you can put it between 0 and 4, and this is basically going to generate a random number between 0 and 4 and make it equal to attack run. And once you have that in generated, you're gonna place it into the array. So go ahead and type audio source.play clip at point. So basically this is the function that calls the audio clip and play it at the exact spot that you want to, play the audio clip. And here we're gonna enter the array that you created for the sound effect, and then you have the integer, so it's gonna add a random number between 0 and 4. And this is the position that you're gonna be playing the audio clip. So we're just gonna take the transform of the current object dot position. So we're just gonna play it at where the character is standing at, and it's just gonna play the sound effect there because when she grunts, she's not gonna grunt from anywhere else from the screen. So definitely she's gonna be playing the sound effect at the exact position. But if you have other objects or other positions, go ahead and use that instead, or sound effects, just put those position there. So this is basically gonna generate a random integer, and then it's gonna input into the array, and it's gonna call that exact clip from that array, and that's it. I also went ahead and created a bunch of other functions. This is not the optimal way to do this, but this is just for easy showcase. So I created a sound effect one where I have a fireball damage sound effect. If you have other sound effects, you could add that too. I have character ones and special sound effects, and I just stack them together. I also created a function for a hurt sound effect. I also created a function for a dying sound effect. And just for fun, I created a bunch of other functions for other sound effects that's included in the package, but just for fun, she has one that says count to 3. She has a laughing sound effect. She also has a singing one. She also has a what a beautiful day it is. She also has a sound effect for you got this. And also have a sound effect for her swinging her staff. So, when she swings her staff, it's gonna make a swinging sound effect plus her grunt attack and maybe a fireball summon. So you can stack all 3. So after you have all these sound effects created, go ahead and go into your animations for your game. Okay, so I'm in the animations tab for my character, and this is where I'm gonna be calling those functions that we just created. Okay, so here my green attack animation, I'm gonna just show you the animation really quickly. It's just her swinging her staff, maybe summoning a fireball, I don't know, whatever the magic spell is. But I'm gonna pick a frame where I'm gonna call her grunt function. So I'm gonna look and see right here. So right when she's about to swing her staff, I want to play the grunt sound effects. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this frame and click this white candle add event. So once you click it, it's a white candle's gonna pop up here. And basically what's gonna happen is at frame 5, it's gonna call this event here. So go ahead and click on your white candle and find the function green wizard grunt attack, or whatever function you made to make the sound effect basically. And mine is called green wizard grunt attack. I'm gonna click this button and add another white candle for another sound effect. So I'm gonna click on that candle and basically find the function for the fireball sound effect or what other sound effect. So for me, I have the fireball sound effect. So you could have two events happen at the same frame. So I'm gonna have her grunt attack sound effect here, and I'm also gonna have her fireball summoning sound effect here as well. So when she goes to this frame, she's gonna play both those functions, calling the grunt sound effect and also calling the fireball sound effect at once, and you're gonna hear how that's gonna sound. And in frame 6, I'm gonna add another white candle and find the green wizard's swing staff sound effects. So now I have 3 sound effects being called in these 2 frames. I'm gonna have the fireball sound effect, her grunt sound effect, and the staff sound effect. And I think that's pretty much kind of all the sound effects that you're gonna need for your character when she attacks. To go grunt, you hear the effect of the weapon. If you have a special ability like maybe ice or anything, you add that sound effect and stack it all up. And here in her die animation, I'm just gonna show how that looks like. This is just her fainting down. So in the first frame, I'm gonna add a white candle and I'm gonna call the green wizard die sound effect. And this is where we have the sound effect where she faints basically. So that's just gonna be it for that sound effect. So let's go to the other animations. And so now I'm in her other attack animation, which is just the same thing, but she's gonna cast a different spell. And I'm gonna go over to same frame 4, add 2 events, and basically add one for her grunt sound effect and another one for her swinger staff. So, and that's it. So basically just go to your own animations and find out where in the frame you want to play your audio clips and just add the event. And if you don't like it, you can go ahead and click the candle and drag it, and basically it'll just move to this frame and play the event here instead. And you just gotta trial and error until you figure out where best to put your sound effects. And yeah, easy peasy. Also in the update function, I create a script where if I press the F key, I'm gonna call one of my other sound effect functions. Since I don't have anywhere to put, these laughing sound effect, the counted 3 audio, and the singing, I'm just gonna press the key and just let you listen to it. So I just create a function, the update, for you. go ahead and ignore this. This is just for my game. Since I have other characters in this game, I have to create this function to make sure it's the right character to play the right sound effects. So, you know, it's just a little bit more complicated. You go ahead and remove these for your game and just keep whatever function you have right here. Press the F key, call the function. Just that simple. Alright, I think that's everything. So now let's get back to your game and let's test this out. Let's go ahead and test out the sound effect.
Yeah. Ha. Ha. Yeah. Ha.
I think that sounded pretty good. Had the attack grunt, and also had the fireball sound effect, and even had the swing sound effect.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Ha.
If you listen closely, you can hear that each attack grunt is like different. Listen closely.
Yeah. Ha. Ha. Yeah. Ha.
Yep, there we go. Each time it's attacking, it's calling a random sound effect from the attack grunt by calling that function that randomizes it and then picking a random audio clip.
Ha. Yeah. Ha.
Doesn't that sound much better than just having a single sound effect grunt, you know? You know what I'm saying? Yep. Now let's try the other sound effect.
I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good.
Yep, that's perfect. Alright, now let's listen to the other ones.
La da 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 da, la da 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 da. What a beautiful day to play. You got this.
You know, the voice acting is like perfect for this character right here. I mean, since we're here, let's also look at all our animations that we have for this character that you can download from my website. So we have the idle animation right now, and we have the walking animation, we have the attacking animation, and we also have the fainting animation. But yeah, you can go ahead and download the assets for this character on my website. Well, that's all I have for today. Go ahead and hit that like button and share this video if you enjoyed it. Or else. And if you didn't like the video, well, too bad. I don't care. I also have a brand new Discord channel now. Come and learn from others to help build games in Unity. Or, you know, just come hang out with us, you know, either way. Links are down below to join this Discord channel. Come and join us. Go ahead and comment down below and tell me what you thought about this video. Did you like the free assets? Because everybody does. Or maybe you want to see other videos of me showing you how to create other special effects, or maybe do something in the Unity engine. Go ahead, comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notifications for more videos like this. That's right, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned because I have more cool free asset videos like this just for you in the future. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to know how to create a 2D animation in Unity using like free assets on my website, go ahead and click on this video right here. If you want to know how to set up the character like how I set up in Unity and make a controller for her to control animations, go ahead and click on this video right here. Also, if you like this 2D cute wizard anime girl asset, I have another video just like this right here. You can also download that character on my website. The links to the video are all down below. Alright, that's all I have for today. I'm just gonna go ahead and mess around.